na walang iba kundi si Ice Seguera.
Hello!
Alam ko marami sa inyo excited na ma-interview si Ice dahil malapit na siya maging tatay, pero later na lang. Kailangan pag-usapan muna natin ang Acoustic Love Journey dahil 2/3 pala ng bayan sa akin. So, let's start with the editor of Manila Bulletin. Siyempre walang iba kundi si Jojo Panaligan. Hi, Jo!
Hi, congratulations sa mga nangyayari sa inyo.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, talking about the concert, what can we expect?
Well,
repertoire-wise.
Well, actually, this is really the first time na, if I'm not mistaken aside from the plays na ginawa namin ninyo, this is really the first time na meron kaming major concert na magkasama kami. So I'm really excited because he's been a very, very good friend of mine ever since. So, happy lang kami sa magiging jamming. Kasi minsan kapag sobrang kaibigan mo yung kasama mo sa entablado, hindi mo rin alam kung anong mga magic na mangyayari. So of course, aside from the repertoire na people have always loved, no? Like hits, of course, it's like what the title says, it's acoustic love journey. So, mataanan natin ang journey ng pag-ibig through these songs that we're gonna sing.
Follow up ko lang, paano nagma-match up yung boses niyo ninyo?
Ewan ko, pero nakakatuwa kasi si Nyoy, he's very versatile. You know, I mean, you hear him singing all these acoustic hits, but he can actually be a rocker and all these other things that you want him to be. So, yun. And yun, definitely dun papasok yun, yung versatility siguro naming dalawa. And I'm quite excited what's gonna happen.
Is it hard doing a show with the male artist kasi you're coming from the same perspective?
No, I don't think so. I mean, I'm half-half, so I know both perspectives. and yun nga, nakakatuwa because yun nga, since I am working with Nyoy and he's a very, very good friend, kumbaga, we've seen each other through heartbreaks and new loves, and finally, both of us are now married. So, happy lang ako na bukod sa acoustic love journey na title ng ng concert namin, ito, kami mismo, napagdaanan namin yung love journey ng bawat isa. So, I'm happy.
Thanks.
Thank you. Ay, so makikiusap na ako bago natin continue. Dadaan na yung ibang vloggers sa likod. Kuya, sayang kasi yung space to, nandun sila sa labas, hindi sila makalili. Papadaan na natin dahil. Kaya push, napakarami natin vloggers, GMA Network, lahat.
Puro talaga.
ABS-CBN Carlos Bumamia. Siyempre, okay. So, pang ilang concert nyo na rin ito na Valentine?
Naku, madami na. I mean, kasi syempre sa style ng music ko, laging Valentine ako na babagsak eh. So marami na talaga. I mean, hindi na mapila. Ever since I started, laging, and siguro not just for me, but for almost all singers natin, talaga masasabi mo na ang Valentine ika nga ay Christmas namin. Because
hindi na babakante.
And talagang, pero I'm happy kasi I think for the, since I came back from working sa government, this is actually, for almost 2 years I haven't had a Valentine show. So I'm happy that parang ito yung first after that stint.
So what made you decide na finally babalik na ako sa pagtatrabaho?
Marami. Pero isa dun is, siguro yun lang, hindi ako pang government. I like the public service part. But of course, when you say government, it goes both ways eh. It's public service and politics. So the politics part, I do not like. And isa pa, yun nga, syempre, I'm not getting any younger. Yung pangarap namin ng asawa ko, actually not even 2016, but since we got married, was to have another kid. And syempre, alam naman natin, obviously, that we cannot conceive ng normal. So, and it takes money to do that. So, if I stay in government, we will be able to do that.
Ay, friend to us yung excitement kayo na finally babalik ka sa...
Siyempre, I'm very happy. Sabi ko nga, na-miss ko siya. Alam mo, iba yung sarap ng nasa entablado ko, iba yung sarap na kumakanta ka, iba yung sarap na nakikita mo yung mga tao kumakanta kasama mo and just enjoying the music. And I'm happier because this first concert that I have for this year, gagawin ko to with a very special friend. So, I want to thank, of course, Plaza de Manila for getting us. Sobrang saya po na, I don't know, but I think this is the first time we will do something big in the special. So, Bless you, man. So, so ayun, I'm very happy.
Sobra sila na-excite, no? Pero eto sisingit ko, may pinapapalo up bago natin kasabi si Miss Christina Sario. Ayos kanina sabi mo ang ayaw mong part ng ano yun, sa politics, di ba? Yun ang ayaw mo. Dahil inintriga ka ba? Ano mas maintriga ang lumalabas? Kasi showbiz maintriga sabi nila. Mas maintriga din pala yung pinasok.
Hindi, mas malala yun. Mas malala ang intriga definitely ng politics because it concerns national interest. I mean, hindi ko minamalit ang showbiz, but if we compare lang the degree, kasi syempre ito, pag inintriga ka sa ano, like yun, diba na-intriga ako, nangupit daw ako, ganyan.
Meriendang napaka.
Diba? So, nakakatawa isipin, pero nakakabuisit din. Kasi syempre, siguro sa tinagal-tagal ko sa trabaho na to, more than 30 years already in this industry, if there's one thing I'm proud of, it's my name. Yung pangalan ko, na hindi ako nanggaling sa angkan ng mga artista, hindi ako nanggaling sa kilalang pamilya, but I'm still here because I make sure that every job I make, I do, I give my 100% or more. So parang, syempre diba, parang naka-insulto yun na just because of all these things, because of politics, and you hear these things about you, which is not true. So, yun, parang, it's on my game. Yun lang, siguro, I needed to know that firsthand. Kasi ako yung tipo ng tao na, hanggat di ko, ayoko ng what ifs eh. Diba? Gusto ko na susubukan ko. Hanggang sa, pag nandun na ako, masasabi ko, hindi to para sa akin. And siguro, it's easier for me to accept it na dito para sa akin and just move on. Kasi nadaanan ko na. Parang ganun.
So parang sa tagal mo ng showbiz, parang hindi pa ba kinaya ng experience mo ng showbiz, yung intriga sa...
Actually, kaya naman yung intriga. Totoo lang, na-immune ako. I mean, natutunan ko rin naman sa showbiz yun, na ma-immune sa mga ganyang bagay. Pero siguro, it's just everything, like the process is too slow. I mean, syempre tayo dito, sanay tayo, di ba? Magpatawag ka ng press, o next week gawin natin yan. O 3 days from now gawin natin yan. O kaya, sige, magpa-show tayo, o next month may show ka. Or 2 months from now may show ka. Yun, hindi. Bago ka makagawa ng something new, something different, ang dami mo kailangan daanan. And sometimes, the other agencies that you talk to, there's, of course, we are all autonomous. So, alam mo yan, iba-iba ng, hindi, minsan gusto nilang tulungan ka, minsan iba yung direksyon nila. So, yun, parang sa akin, for me, apart from that, I miss my wife. You know, like, syempre she's also in government, and there are times, isipin mo, like, alam niyo naman yun, we're always together, di ba? Tapos biglang pumasok kami, hindi na kami nakikita. Alam mo yun yung...
Sobrang sipag ka.
Oo, tapos hindi po after ng event niya, syempre, or after ng work namin, pareho kami pagod. So, pag uwi naman, alaga mo siya, tulog na lang. And ayoko nang ganon. And ayoko ma-sacrifice yung relationship namin. I mean, syempre, of course, we love our country. But siguro what has to give way, because as much as I love my country, I love my relationship with my wife. And I do not want to sacrifice that too. So, I think enough na yun. Enough na yung may isang nagtatrabaho at nagsisilbi sa gobyerno. And tama lang din na I'm back in what I'm doing. And syempre, taking care of the family din naman.
Siyempre, mas malaki ang kita.
Yun, I was gonna say financially.
Pero bago natin pagpatuloy si Aiza, tanongin natin siya ng mga latest. Ito muna, kasi sinasabi nila blue eyes daw, ang donor, ganyan, si ganito, si ganyan. Ano ba talaga? Pwedeng ikaw na mismo magkwento.
Okay, siguro, of course, most of you nasulat naman na to that Liza and I have really been planning to have a child. Magkaroon ng isa pang baby. So, napag-desisyon namin that we will do it. And noong January, hello. Oh. So, noong January, after my first, the first day of my menses, ayun, I went to the doctor. And then, I started na the injections. So, yung mga injection na to, it's to stimulate my eggs. Kasi parang the goal is when they harvest my eggs, dapat madami kahit papano. Wag lang naman isa. So, and nakakatawa because one of my doctor friends, she's been telling me na, do it soon. Kasi matagal na talagang plano, ba't ng urong, because of so many things. Sabi niya, before you reach 35, you have to do it soon. Because once you are 35, parang the quality of the eggs, sobrang bumababa kagad. And true enough, kasi I remember when I was in the States, sometime 2014 to, nag-ultrasound ako. And ang dami, asa talagang, may kita mo, daming follicles, ang daming everything. At sa gulat ako, na nung nagpa-ultrasound ako ulit, neto, tatlo lang yung nakikita, puro maliliit. So, and the right ovary wasn't producing any egg at all. So, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi syempre, it's pricey. And I don't wanna do it all over again. Sabi ko nga, okay na, one time big time na to. Ayun na yun, alam mo yun? And then, so yun, every day for 12 days, I had to go through this process. And so I had the injections every day. And finally, ayun, we were able to harvest 3 good quality eggs. So I'm happy.
So yun yung kinanta nyo, I have
Yeah,
3 eggs.
So on the left, yes. Kasi lahat sila sa kaliwa, sa kanan, wali.
So, okay. So yung eggs.
So ganito yung mangyayari nun. So that's the first step. So meron ng eggs. So if you freeze yun, yung itlog na yun, and then nakahanap naman na kami ni Liza ng, we are down to 2 donors. Pinagpipilian lang namin. So when you go to the cryobank kasi, it's just a website. Pero may kita mo doon, of course, the picture. Pero baby picture yan usually. Baby picture, and then the profile ng donor. From the most mundane things like hiling ako kumain to the medical history, ganyan. So, syempre, ang choice talaga namin is Caucasian. So, napili namin si Superman yung tawag ko doon sa isa. Yung isa si Boy Pogi. Yung isa, parang sobrang, he's Caucasian. Yung isa parang Hispanic. Actually, Pogi siya. Nasa ko ay asawa ko kasi hindi kami namimili kami. Kasi Lisa, grabe, napaka-perfect naman siya ko. Love. Sperm lang ako natin dyan. Hindi yung tao. Okay. Tapos, so ayun. Tapos, pag napili na namin, yun na. Pag nakuha na namin yun, then that's when the fertilization starts. And then, after that, usapan namin ni Lisa by December. Kasi, dami niya talagang trabaho. And syempre, ayaw naman namin na stressed siya tapos magbubuntis. So sabi niya, love December. Sabi niya. Kasi dapat September yun. Kaso biglang nag-declare si Pangulo na, okay, it's the 100 years of Philippine cinema, so it starts September. O, patay tayo dyan. Siyempre, na-move kami. So, sabi ko, sige, but hopefully not. Sabi niya, but love, sabi ko, ayoko nang hindi this year. Sabi niya, yes, I promise December.
Start ng IVF.
Dun yung December, ita-transfer sa kanya yung fertilized na embryo.
At siya yung
magbubuntis. So that's really the process. And nakaka-ano rin pala, na parang akala natin all the while na parang once you're taking the meds and everything, like your eggs are, alam mo yung dadami na di pala. Talagang, it's really nature. Alam mo yun, talagang minsan, meron daw instances na nagtitake ng gamot, malaki na, biglang liliit. So, I'm just happy that we were able to harvest 3 good quality eggs. Let's pray for my eggs. The cryobank is actually in the States.
Okay. Doon yung
So nagpunta kayo doon?
Hindi, website.
sa website.
Yes.
Mga more or less.
More.
Kasi kay Joel Cruz, bawat isa 12.
Pero mas mahal kanya. Kasi ang swerte namin ni Liza is, usually ang mahal dyan is the harvesting. Kasi ganito yan eh. Okay, for gay men na couple, so of course, they only have sperm. Diba? Ang mahal kasi is the egg harvesting, which is what I did. And of course, since I have eggs, hindi ko na kailangan bayaran yung sarili ko. Kasi normally, kasi gano'n yan eh, you have to, iba pa yung surrogate mo, iba pa yung egg donor mo. Diba? So you have to pay for the egg donor, the harvesting of the eggs, and then you have to pay for the surrogate. So, swerte namin, because we don't have to go through that. So it's cheaper for us, and it's true. As I have friends, na talagang, but now they have twins. They're beautiful twins. Pero, ang laki rin talaga. But it's more expensive for them.
May possibility daw yan na twins lang.
Yes, kasi ang sabi ng doctor is not less than 2 yung nilalagay. So, if ever...
Sana.
Pero hanggang twins na, hindi yan.
Bawa na may asawa pag nakating 8.
May milyon ang halaga ng proseso na ginawa.
Sa ngayon, wala pa ron.
Wala.
Wala pa ron.
Kasi nga siya sa kanila.
Pero how many percent daw na na effective na mabubuo yung
Well, actually, ang maganda naman dun kasi is, of course, Lisa already has her own water. Alam mo yun, yung parang, kumbaga, yung problema namin is not because may problema kami sa reproductive system namin. It's just, ngayon ako po, try ako na try, but nothing. So, good chances naman. Kasi nga, nung nakita nila yung quality ng itlog, ganda daw. Kasi ganda ko yun. Tapos, Lisa naman, may live birth na. So, I hope that it will, mas tataas yung, namin, swerte namin.
Anong preferred mong gender?
Noong una sabi ko gusto ko boy, tapos biglang gusto ko girl. Tapos ngayon sabi ko, kahit ano na lang basta healthy. Kasi syempre, of course, di ba, parang gusto ko healthy. Gusto ko okay siya.
So, naka-ready kayo kung kambal or isa na? Ready?
Oo naman.
Pero
Ay,
personally,
traits na pagpapasihan mo para piliin yung government.
Okay. Actually, napili na, nung nagustuhan namin si Superman.
Superman?
So, I mean, physical traits. Okay, physical traits muna tayo. Napili namin siya because he's 6-footer. Alam naman natin, kailangan compensate eh. Malaki-laki. Dagdag bawas lang yan, guys. Tapos, blue siya si Blue Eyes. Tapos yung nakita namin, meron kasi doon yung parang, Myers-Briggs. So, he is an ENFP and my wife is also an ENFP. So, hinahanap kasi namin is, gusto ko yung ugali or yung characteristics and personality is almost like Lisa. Kasi ako na to eh, parang ganun. So, tas nakalagay doon na he's an artist, summa cum laude siya, he finished sociology, tapos he's a musician. Tapos he's a classically trained singer, he plays the guitar and other instruments, and during his spare time, he loves to cook. So, yun din yung ugali niya sa akin. But, so okay ko, okay ito, sakto, tas pogi. Wala man siyang adult picture doon, may isa kasi meron eh. Wala siyang adult picture doon, pero ang nakalagay doon kasi meron doon parang look-alikes. Yan. So, ang look-alike daw niya si Liam Hemsworth.
Wow!
Saka anong pangalan na sa 50 Shades of Grey? Jamie Dornan. Yan. So, yung nakalagay niya, look-alike. Ewan natin, malay mo. Pero, tapos, pero medyo nag-worry ako kasi, syempre may medical history doon. And, meron doon like, medyo nag-worry ako doon sa mga cancer part. Kasi meron siyang ilang relatives na meron. And the other one also has naman sa relatives niya. But kumbaga late na nag-occur. Like, late na yung late sa stage ng buhay nila. Unlike ito na parang 30s. Ganun. So medyo, napa-double tick ako doon. So ayan.
So yung si Superman.
Yan si Superman.
Yung isa?
Yung isa naman, so, sobrang kaibahan naman namin kasi international studies, mga ganun. Actually, talaga namin na yung profile niya kasi talagang gusto na namin yung isa. Pero ngayon ito, iniisa-isa namin siya. Pero pareho sila na, iba lang lalim ni Superman. Akala mo, close na kami.
Pero Superman ang piliin.
Pero Ice, sa cryobank ka, wala ka bang naisip before na lapitan from showbiz actor or
actually,
mag-donate?
Pagbiro ginagawa ko, but serious, hindi.
Sino
Sino ba yung mga biniro ko nun? Biniro ko nun si Derek.
Ano sabi ni Derek?
Pero tagal na nun, meron pa kaming soap nun. But now, parang inisip namin ni Lisa yan. Of course, it's easier, di ba? If it's just here, ganyan, mura. Pero syempre, yung implications on after. What if biglang na-feel ni Jun Lali na gusto niya maging tatay ng anak namin kasi binigyan niya yung sperm niya. Syempre, ayoko. Gusto ko ako yung magkasundo ko na eh. So, ayun. Ayoko. Kasi gusto ko, ayoko may ibang magkasunong role yun, but me. And, ayun, and other complications as well. So, sabi ko, let's just do the cryobank route. At least, no strings attached. Mahirap na.
Serious
Pero,
na.
kung kunyari papipiliin ka, aside from Derek na bilapitan mga people, kunyari, wala yung na aspect na baka in the future gusto maging tatay siya ng anak mo.
Yung headline mo yan eh. Imagine ko rin title ng article mo.
Sino yung mga actors o singers?
Gusto mo ni Derek, gano'n.
Oo, ganun yan.
So, sino yung mga possible sana?
Pahingin ako choices.
Piolo.
Alden.
Like, parang, okay si Piolo, kaso gusto ko medyo tisoy.
Iyan.
Ayan, sige, pwede yan. Ayan, mga ganun, mga nasa linya ni Ian, ganyan.
So, tisoy talaga kasi yung...
Ano ko naman ang bata. Hindi ko naman relasyonin.
Sperm lang naman kailangan.
Sperm lang naman kailangan ko.
Pero personally, yung pagiging ama, nakikita mo na ba yung sarili mo?
Ready ka na maging...
I'm excited. I mean, I'm excited to take on that role na, it's just me and Lisa. So, I feel naman kaya. Excited ako magbuntis na, honestly. Like, I really wanna be there, like, 100% na talagang, alam mo yun, hindi po, bigla niya akong gigising alas 3 para talagang gutom siya, mga ganyan. So, nagsascout na ako rito kung yung mga bukas 24 hours eh. Para
Gusto
at
niya na
least,
mga mahirap na
mga mahirap na lutuin.
Sa America pa.
Diba? May mga, so yun. So, hopefully, ayun, I'm just really excited.
Maraming natuwa, no? Pero marami din, of course, nagbabash. How do you handle bashers dun sa
Hindi naman
mga...
sila parte ng buhay namin. So, I mean, sabi ko nga kay Lisa, love, people will always bash. Just because, not because they feel strongly about it, but just because they want it. And wala nang magawa dun. Keps.
Pero nakakatuwa nga na mas marami na
Natuwa.
Ayun naman yung masaya kami. And more than anything, happy ako because the people we love support us. I think more than anything, that's what matters the most. And masaya ako na the industry, obviously you guys are happy and my parents, both our families are happy and the friends are very happy and very excited. So, okay.
Ano ba sabi niya? Ni Mami, binanggit mo na yun. Ni Mami, tsaka si Daddy Dick.
Siyempre, excited mami ko. She's been praying. Kasi nga, siyempre, ina-update ko siya every once in a while. Kung mama, yung itlog ko. Sabi ko, itlog ko, sabi ko, medyo, low performing. Sige, pag-pray natin yan. Ganun siya. So, when I finally told her na, sobrang siyang happy. And siyempre, siguro walang mas excited kaysa sa kanya. Alam mo, grabe yung excitement ng nanay ko, ibang klase.
Sabi mo kasi yung idea of mangyayari mga December pa. Gaano katagal pwede i-produce yung mga
Egg.
itlog mo?
And
Years.
sperm.
Hindi, yun, you can freeze it for... Kasi alam ko there are people na they do it. Nag-freeze sila because siguro in 2 years time they wanna get pregnant. So, matagal
Okay
yun.
lang. Walang problema.
Walang problema. Importante is ma-freeze siya at that state na good pa siya.
Tama. Tsaka importante may pambahid kayo sa
Actually, I was quite surprised. I thought na super expensive yung freezing. Hindi naman pala. I mean, it's pricey but
mga more or less.
less than 10. Less than 20.
Tapos
For the whole year na.
So you pay yearly?
Yeah, for the freezing, yeah. But syempre, for this year, ako.
Iba yung removal, iba pa yung sa freezing,
Iba pa yung...
sa proseso ng pag-inject.
Iba pa yun.
Na-discuss niyo ba sa doctors kung pwede yung pag-usapan to publicly? Kasi baka later on bumalik sa bata na, we know all about this.
Kami naman, ang talagang we will remain private about it is kung saan ginawa and just for respect na din because in our country we're not very open about it and as much as our doctors would love to, alam mo yun, kumbaga, there are repercussions also. So yun lang, I hope that walang mention of who or where and all those things. But for the child, definitely tatanungin naman nan. I mean, we will be very honest. Siguro, if there's one thing, and even with Amara and Liza and I, honesty talaga yung number 1 sa bahay namin. It's the number 1 policy. Na wala kami tinatago. Even with my brother. Diba? My brother knew. He's very young. Kasi, imagine, totoo yan eh. Totoo yung sinabi mo eh. Okay, I have an adopted brother. He's na ngayon, 20 mahigit na. But I had to tell him na he was adopted nung bata siya because mayroong mga bastos talaga sa Pilipinas. Sa harap ng bata, sasabihin sa'yo, ba't di mo na makamukha yan? Ampun yan eh. Grabe, di ba? Ganun tayo kasama minsan. So, I think the only way that malalabanan nila yun is for them to know the truth. And definitely wala kaming tatagong table hits.
Or meron ba itong parang advocacy thing sa inyo na let's talk about it so that we can move whatever cause forward?
Ito na lang. I wanna talk about it because, number one, I wanna spread awareness. No? Because I think it's unfair that we don't really have access to it here in the Philippines. Imagine, in Malaysia, which is a predominantly Muslim country, they allow it. The only rule na hindi nila na sinabi sa amin is you cannot get a sperm donor na Muslim, and that's it, because that is religion. So it's sad that because of religion here, mga processes like this can't be enjoyed by the LGBT community. So I'm just happy that, I'm happy na kahit paano we were able to find someone who will help us. But I hope that, someday soon, diba, hindi kami ma-deny din ng chance to have a family just because we can't create it ng natural na paraan.
Yeah, last two questions.
Kung sakali, magkakaroon ng second, kung sakali maging successful.
No, okay na ako sa isa. Happy na ako sa isa. I think, especially nowadays, mahal na ng lahat. Alam mo yun, yung parang sakto na ako sa isa. Sabi ko nga, pag nakabuo na ako, pwede ko na ibenta yung dalawang itlog. Pwede na, wala itlog.
Isa lang gagamitin doon.
Ang
Tapos,
alam ko, either isa or dalawa.
yung isa,
Yun. Let's see. Yung isa is standby. I mean,
kung gusto pa.
But ako nga, pag nakabuo na kami and okay na si Liza and okay yung baby, lumaki, I can, okay na ako. Yes.
So, I safe to say na yung proseso, yung mismo idea, hindi mangyayari dito sa bansa. Sorry kung...
Parang gano'n.
Yeah, thank you, Ais. Dahil naging open ka about dyan sa malapit mo ng pagiging tatay. Pero syempre, kailangan pag-usapan din natin ang acoustic